Just a quick little review of the Scrub Daddy brand Scrub Mommy sponge. And I don't really get the hype. I used it for a bit. Use it for washing dishes. I assume I can use it for washing dishes. I don't know what else people use it for. But I found that the ergonomics kind of suck. Like, there's no good way to grab it. These holes for your fingers don't really make much sense. When the sponge is wet, it's really slippery feeling. It's hard to hold on to compared to what I'm used to, these blue sponges. And as you can tell, the thing's just degrading and falling to bits. I mean, this little piece of the plastic will come out and you find them in your dishes and stuff, and it's just really bad. And the other thing I didn't like about it was, supposedly you wash a cup with it, you take it like this or whatever, and you shove it down inside the cup. Well, you get squirted with water. The water will go flying through the mouth hole if you're not careful, and I don't know. And it doesn't. The material's nice, but it doesn't hold up, and it's not. The price doesn't justify what you pay for this compared to just one of these throwaway blue sponges with a low abrasive or whatever you want to call it. It's not scratchy, but it's tough enough to do some cleaning. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really get the hype. I wasn't impressed. I probably won't be buying another one of those. I'm going to stick to my tried and true blue sponges because they're easy to hold and they don't degrade. You can see this one's kind of like unraveling. It's like pilling or whatever, but it's still fairly strong attachment stuff. And yeah, so I don't know. I wasn't impressed. I won't be buying another one of these, and I'm going to stick to these. So hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.